welcome back to another video. And why I'm not doing more Bear Creek videos not until Monday or Tuesday. And why? So I get more footage of the sheep. Simple and obvious, right? And I like seeing these guys and shit too, but you're making memorable footage. That's all I'm doing, guys. I gotta make all that memorable footage. Still just waking up. Just trying to go out to get some peace. You stop that and hang. Hang, you stop that. Rub it on the fence like that. Stop it. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna miss some of these sheep that I cannot keep. So, oh, hey, stop that. Did I tell you to stop that? Yes, I did. Yeah, I take a little few minutes, like, to get some lists and everything. But anyways, baby lambs here, baby lambs everywhere. At least almost everywhere. Look at that pee-pee. Maybe, I know. There's not really much for me to talk. So it's like, tomorrow is gonna be the last video about these guys, but also about catching them. No, I'm also gonna record them driving off a little bit too. But all I know, tomorrow, that gonna be these sheep's last day here on the farm tomorrow. Yeah, and also these guys over here. Gonna be the ones I'm keeping. I like this one. It reminds me of old Coco. So we named it Coco. Yeah, man. Bad. There's our little black Dolly. Besides, See that one going when you see that, guys? Baby lamb's trying something. We're just trying to get the food. You can see the one I was trying to ram the fence left. Or just send down over there. Besides, I might start buying goats and stuff. The pen's gonna be mine on once. Yeah, because I'm actually getting an idea what I want to do with it. Hey, zebra. But I'm trying to get as much footage as I can today, man. Tomorrow, I might post 2 videos. Okay, I might do one in the morning. And do one whenever the sheep guy gets here. We can get all more footage in. But I mean, these guys might get in the way a little, huh? They might. Now I think about it. But I like doing this like almost every day. Look at that. I don't know, it's only gonna be chickens and 5 sheep. So I'm gonna set down my gates close on some now. So it's good until you know what I'm saying then? But I'm probably gonna put some fence. And I already put over deer. And look at this, guys. Look at this. So you can literally see them from like right here. You think I'm gonna get them food, but I'm not. Did you ban? But to get out. But I guess, guys, that's where the video ends for now. So please like, subscribe. All right, see you guys on the next one. Base.